Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about how you can put the money that you're already spending with a traditional bank, and we're going to talk about today how you can benefit from the money that you already have in that account and you're still spending on a monthly basis, and how you can benefit and leverage that money. So stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for watching another episode of our videos and show. So we're going to talk about today leveraging your business finances. You probably have a checking bank account or business bank account with a traditional bank. So if you stick with me in this video, I'm gonna give you another perspective and show you how you can leverage your finances so you can get benefits from it, rewards and so forth. So if you have been following my content and you've watched my business credit videos and I've showed you how to get business credit without personal guaranteeing that line of credit. I've showed you the accounts and the companies with whom I have net 30 and net 60 accounts. I've showed you that I have fleet cars with 3 companies. I have fleet cars with ExxonMobil, with Shell, and BP Business Solutions. So today what I wanted to talk to you about is how you can leverage your finances, your business finances. So I guess that you have a checking account with a traditional bank. If you're using your cash, your money with that business checking account, so you're not getting any benefits from having that money in bank account. And I want you to take a look with me how the fintech companies are going to change that. And if you're already spending that money on a monthly basis, so you might as well want to get that money working for you. And what I'm talking about here, instead of having that money in a traditional bank account or checking account, it's so difficult to get line of credit with these companies, and yet we're putting our money there all the time. So in my case, what I'm doing slowly but surely is just switching from traditional banking to the fintech companies that are up and coming right now. And I'm telling you, mark my words, these companies are going to revolutionize the banking system. I've been saying that since the beginning of my videos. They're definitely going to change how we business owners bank and how we use the business finances. Heck, most of the fintech companies is the rewards and the incentive and the benefits that they're offering. In some cases, they're even greater than any personal credit card that you can have out there. So if you continue to follow me in my journey and how I've been documenting everything from day one, how I have built the credit, the amount of credit that I have today. I have not sat down and calculated how much in credit I have so far, but it's definitely a lot. Since I'm going that route, so what I'm going to do is switch from conventional banking. I'm gonna switch slowly but surely to fintech, and these financial companies that are definitely changing the game when it comes to business banking. I don't want to reveal anything too soon, but I'm working with one company and I'm going to do a review very soon of my application process, how I apply for their card, the interaction, what are the benefits that I'm receiving from that company. It's not Brex. I already did kind of like a slide review on Brex. I have not reviewed it in depth, kind of like showing you the system, how I'm utilizing it, how I'm allocating the cash there, how I'm using that account for my business. But there is another account, another fintech company that I'm in talks with that I'm going to show you, and I'm gonna definitely review how has been my process with them. I have not finalized everything, but I have all the material to put the video together. I just have to, organize the material, do the editing, of course, and I'm awaiting some information. So, I want to make sure that I have all the steps covered. So when you watch the video, and if you don't have that credit card from that company, that you know how to do it and where to go to apply for that. And I like reviewing the process when I go through the process of applying with a company. I'll show you the process, how I applied for Home Depot and I got $7,500. I showed you the process how I applied for Lowe's and I got $5,000. I showed you the process how I got $15,000 from Best Buy. I showed you the process how I got approved for all these companies that I've been talking about. I'm not saying I'm not going to do that, but the information that I like providing in this channel, I want it to be more geared towards being on the front seat, so to speak, in the driver's seat, in terms of how was the experience with that company, and I like to do it from a first person, if that makes sense, angle. I went through the process and this is what I experienced. This is what happened when I applied for that. So this is why I haven't done a review on this company. I'm not going to reveal anything just yet. I just want to have all the information. I want to do my research. I want to fact check everything. I haven't even been in contact with an executive from that company, so I make sure that I have all my bases covered, that when I deliver that information to you, it's good information, it's crucial information, and it's valuable information that you can use. And if you want to go through that process, so you know where to start and what to avoid, what to do and what not to do. Speaking of which, I've been skimming through YouTube, and oh man, I mean, there's so much misinformation out there, guys, so be careful. So I'm not saying that this channel is the best, but at least I try to give you, like I said, that first-hand experience, so you can see kind of like over my shoulder the process and what I did to get the credit that I've been granted. So I saw a video and the title said, I really cringe when I see these videos and the titles, and the title said, how to get business credit in 3 days. In 3 days. That's not possible. It's not remotely possible. No. But in any case, I'm not here to knock on other creators. What I'm saying to you though, as the audience, is that you should fact check everything. I said the same thing in my last video. Do your own research. Make sure that the information you're getting, even from me, it's information that is true. Again, I love interacting with somebody from the institutions that I'm applying for. I like connecting with an individual. I like connecting with a human being. So yesterday I had someone from this company. They gave me a complete walkthrough about this company. Again, I just don't want to spill the beans just yet, because that's going to ruin the content and then review that I'm going to do in another video. But I love connecting with people, somebody in the company that can give me information straight from the source. It's not something that I'm guessing, it's not something that I'm looking on the internet, but it's something that I'm getting straight from the source. And I want to make a little pause here so you can go ahead and subscribe right now. Please stop what you're doing. Stop. Subscribe right now. We are getting those numbers down, guys. So we went from 82% of non-subscribed viewers all the way down to 80%. So we're getting that number down, guys. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you are already subscribed, hit the like button. That also helps us to get to a newer audience, people that have never seen our videos. So please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, also the like button. Do not forget to drop a comment below. You know, guys, that I respond to each one of your comments. If you want to go ahead and confirm everyone that has comment in the videos and ask the questions, I go ahead and reply as soon as possible. But back to the video. So again, I want you to please consider this. Take, for instance, your current bank account, your business bank account. You probably have been using that bank account for years with no rewards. I mean, no rewards. Even PayPal gives you cash back when you use the PayPal debit card. And I'm telling you, the fintech companies right now, and remember, these companies are specifically for people like you and I. We are small business owners, and we're trying to make the best of our businesses and the finances that we're handling. So why not and put that money, take it out of those conventional banks that are not doing anything for you, and go ahead and place that money in a fintech company. Just note how I'm not mentioning any name, because I don't want you to think that I'm steering you towards any brand. As you can see, again, I'm not mentioning any links, any affiliation. So all I'm giving you this information is to add value to you, and because I know that this is going to definitely benefit you. Take these companies, for instance. They're offering you 5, 7, 10 points every time you use them. Let me break down a little bit how that works. Depending on how often you want to pay that money back, or how soon, I should say, depending on how soon you're paying the money back that you're using from the fintech companies, they're going to give you rewards. Okay, say for instance, if they give you a line of credit, okay, let's say they give you a line of credit. Let's say they gave you, I don't know, $50,000, $100,000. You're utilizing that line of credit, right, to operate your business, to pay for expenses, right? You're utilizing the line of credit, and depending on how soon you pay that back, they give you the most rewards and the most points. You can either or, right? You can request a line of credit as a credit card with these companies, and also you can have your money, your revenue. You can hold your revenue, with these fintech companies, and what you can do is preserve your cash. You can use the line of credit, and you can use the cash to pay right away. Think about it. You're paying with your debit card from your bank, your regular bank. You're paying with your debit card anyway. So why not preserve the cash? Use the line of credit. Not only you're using this line of credit, and this line of credit can be increased in the future, but you have your cash and you pay right away. So what that does is that when you do that, you're getting rewards back. So now you're leveraging your money and making it work for you, if that makes sense. So while in conventional banking, you have your money there and just outright paying everything, then why not here that you can utilize the same money, and then these fintech companies, they give you reward to use them, specifically to use the line of credit or your revenue specifically with certain companies. So these companies are actually encouraging you, right? Because these companies are created specifically for you and I, small business owners. So when you use this line of credit or your cash, the cash that you're holding in this account, and you're using their cards, so they're giving you points. They're giving you rewards. You can, when you use these cards in specific companies like online platforms, platforms that you pay anyways to run your business, when you use their card in anything to pay to run your business, then they give you these points back. So this is one of the things that I wanted to talk to you about. So you consider, like I said, I did not want to mention any names or any company, so I don't want you to feel that I am directing you to go to any specific company. So I'm not steering you to go to any specific company. So I just want you to get the information, dissect the information, and if you think it is useful like I think it is for me, then you can make an informed decision. Well, that's all the information that I wanted to give you today. I am done. So again, keep tuned for that company. If you made it this far, I wanted to tell you that I really appreciate every single minute that you spend watching the videos. Remember that these videos are put out for you specifically. If you are, building your business credit, if you want to find out more about net 30 accounts, net 30 vendors, if you want to find out the companies that are extending line of credit without personal guarantee, the companies are giving business credit cards without personal guarantee, the companies that are helping business owners like you and I. So I want to tell you that you have come to the right place. We give information that we either get from the source or that we have experienced ourselves. Thank you guys. Stay tuned for that review that I'm going to do. I'm in the application process right now. I have not been told how much they're going to give me in a line of credit. So I hope it's a good story, a good experience that I'm generating for you, good content, good information, and I hope that you guys, when you guys are good and ready, based on my experience, if you're ready to take advantage of that company too, that you can do that. So thank you. Don't forget to subscribe again. We're bringing down those numbers. We went from 82% of non-subscriber viewers, we're down to 80%. So keep hitting that subscribe button and the like button as well. Thank you so much. I see you soon. Peace.
Just do your thing. Don't worry about what others think. Just keep on moving on. Keep on moving on. Hey. Yeah.